So we're going to open this. So we take our little pick and we kind of wedge that under there, and you're going to hear a suction. Hope you heard that. And we're going to pry it off a little bit around the edges. And it twists off. And that's what it looks like on the inside. This is 10 years old, so you probably will have bright white paper here. And you just fan it open. Most tobacco comes with an insert like this. I kind of just scrape all the tobacco off. And take in those lovely aromas. What we're going to do now, we're going to pry this, we're going to dump this out. To make it easy, I kind of pull this out. I wedge this out like so. I take it out the tin. Dump it out. And then start fanning it out. Now this is fairly dry. McBaren tobacco is fairly dry. We're going to dry this out a little bit just to let this aerate a little bit. And we're going to spread this all over the paper towels. Welcome back. We have another tobacco review. As you can see, it's McBaren, a Scottish mixture. And this has been around for a very long time. Been around since 1958, and it contains 35 different tobaccos. It's labeled as an aromatic. It's not your typical aromatic at all. It's more, it's like a sugary sweet. That's all you're going to get from this. It's tasty. The biggest thing with this blend, anybody has smoked this over the years, is that you have to be real gentle with it, or it will bite you. It will bite you. Slow and steady puffs. And it rewards pretty nice. It has a nice sweetness to it. It's just a sugary sweetness. You know, this isn't the first time I've smoked in this. This is something I've smoked for years. And it's always around, and it's already rubbed. It packs easy. It's an all-day blend. 35 different tobaccos. There's no lot of Kia, so there's nothing off-putting there. But there's Cavendish thrown in there, and Burley, and it's even a tad weeny bit of Dark Fire Kentucky supposedly in here. I don't taste it, but it's 35 different tobaccos. I mean, why not, right? It's McBaren's staple. So they sell it in these 100-gram tins. They have it in bulk, pound bags. Bulk is the cheapest way to get it. This tobacco, this mixture right here, is great for learning. So if you're just starting how to smoke and you want to learn how to sip, keep the pipe going, just sip at it. This is a good tobacco, because if you don't sip, it's going to tell you. You're going to feel it in your mouth. It's going to bite. So, all right, let's get halfway through and see if it changes. It might. All right, about halfway through now, and you know, it's pretty consistent, but it does And once in a while, you have a little nuance here or something different, and you know that's kind of what makes this blend unique. It's never really perfect every time. What I mean by perfect, like exactly the same every time. There's always these little nuances coming and going. I'll put it Virginia, then it'll go away. I'll put it Burley, and then it'll go away. And then then it will, you'll hit that Cavendish, and then it'll be even a little bit more sweeter. But now, as far as flavor, it's just a light sweetness, a sugar sweetness. It's like taking sugar and putting it on your tongue, and it's just sweet. Not that extreme, because it's a light sweetness. So small sips keep the sweetness up and keep the bite down. All right, so I got. See you on the next one.